Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that dominated life on Earth for over 160 million years. From the late Triassic period, around 230 million years ago, to the end of the Cretaceous period, about 66 million years ago. They were some of the most fascinating and successful creatures to ever live, evolving into a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and behaviors, and leaving behind a legacy that still captivates scientists, students, and the public today. Dinosaurs are divided into two main groups based on their hip structure: the Saurischia, lizard-hipped, and the Ornithischia, bird-hipped. The Saurischians included famous carnivorous predators like Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, as well as giant long-necked herbivores like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. The Ornithischians, on the other hand, were primarily herbivores and included armored dinosaurs like Ankylosaurus, horned species like Triceratops, and duck-billed dinosaurs such as Edmontosaurus. Dinosaurs lived on all continents, including Antarctica, and adapted to a wide range of environments, from tropical forests and coastal swamps to arid deserts and floodplains. Fossil evidence has provided us with a wealth of knowledge about their skeletons, behaviors, and even skin impressions. But scientists are still uncovering new species and revising earlier understandings as more fossils are discovered. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries in recent decades is the link between birds and dinosaurs. Birds are now considered the only living descendants of theropod dinosaurs, and features such as feathers, hollow bones, and specific hip structures support this evolutionary relationship. This means that, in a way, dinosaurs are not completely extinct. They live on in modern birds. Dinosaurs laid eggs, and fossilized nests have shown us that some species cared for their young, similar to how birds behave today. The size range among dinosaurs was enormous. Some were as small as chickens, while others, like Argentinosaurus, could grow over 100 feet long and weigh more than 70 tons. Despite their dominance, dinosaurs suddenly went extinct around 66 million years ago in what is known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event. The most widely accepted theory is that a massive asteroid struck Earth near the present-day Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, triggering widespread wildfires, climate changes, and the collapse of ecosystems. Volcanic eruptions and changing sea levels may have also played a role in this mass extinction. However, the extinction was not absolute. Small mammals that lived alongside the dinosaurs survived and eventually evolved into the many forms of mammals we see today, including humans. Dinosaurs have had a huge impact on popular culture, inspiring books, movies, and museum exhibits around the world. Films like Jurassic Park brought them into the public spotlight, combining entertainment with scientific curiosity. Museums across the globe, from the American Museum of Natural History to the Natural History Museum in London, proudly display dinosaur skeletons and reconstructions, helping people of all ages learn more about prehistoric life. Paleontologists, scientists who study fossils, use advanced technology like CT scans and computer modeling to learn how dinosaurs moved, ate, and interacted with their environment. Some recent discoveries include evidence that some dinosaurs may have had colorful feathers, and others use display features like crests and frills for attracting mates or warning rivals. Studying dinosaurs also teaches us about evolution, extinction, and climate change. By understanding how these ancient animals thrived and eventually disappeared, we can better grasp how life on Earth responds to environmental changes. In schools and classrooms, dinosaurs are a favorite topic because they spark the imagination while providing a window into Earth's deep past. Even young children can recognize species like T-Rex and Stegosaurus, showing the power of these animals to capture our curiosity. The word dinosaur comes from the Greek words dainos, terrible, and sauros, lizard. But not all dinosaurs were terrifying. Many were peaceful herbivores that spent their lives grazing and nurturing their offspring. The study of dinosaurs continues to evolve, with new fossil sites being discovered in places like China, Argentina, and Madagascar, revealing more about their anatomy, behavior, and evolution. Dinosaurs were not just monsters of the past. They were living, breathing animals that played a vital role in Earth's history. Their legacy lives on in the rocks beneath our feet, in the birds flying above us, and in the endless curiosity they inspire in all of us.